Hey guys, Batsonic Abby here. We are about to do some fireworks for 4th of July. And these are the galaxies, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think we used that at one big tube firework thing. So what we are about to do is one of the galaxy ones. Place in wooden trowel or iron pipe at 75-degree angle. Pointing away from people and flammable material. Do not hold in hand, light feet is good away. This light rocket travels high speeds, can travel long distances, may result in injury or fire. Remember that, kids. Don't hold rockets in your hands. So here we have our pyrotechnician working on it. I don't know what this does.
It's an Eskimo galaxy. Whoa.
Aw. So that's what that does. And Juno is like, what? Hi, Juno. She wants the cats. Hello, Junebug. Hello, baby. So this is the 7-card stud. And it is supposed to look like that.
Let's have an episode.
So the only thing that shoots in the air that I've ever shot off is a bottle rocket. So,
Oh, here you go.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Hayden, would somebody like to be the camera person momentarily? Would you like to be the camera person? Do not press any buttons, please.
I'm not.
There's a flat stone out there you can place it on.
Well, how you see anything? It's all black.
Don't worry, I always care about the fireworks. Right, guys? Yeah.
Woo!
Big person firework! That actually knows attention.
And I lost my flip-flops in the process.
That was a pretty good one. What was it? What was it? That's the second time we said that, you know? Okay. I feel like that should have been more of a size one. More of a what? Outside. I feel like I had more space than I was. Catch fire when, oh no, it's gonna hit the power line, then they're gonna catch fire and melt, and we're gonna have to call the fire department.
Oh gosh.
That's
exciting.
We're down here. We're down here. What's going on down here? What are we doing, Junebug? We're down here. We're watching them. What are we doing, Junebug?
I gotta see Juno's reactions. I gotta find your 4th of July bandana, baby. Yeah, mommy's gotta find your bandana. I'm out of breath. I almost had a heart attack.
You want some? What?
Okay, Abby.
Okay. Woo, camera person is back in control. Whew, that was exciting. What do you think, Juno? What do you think? She says, I don't know. These things are very bright compared to the darkness.
There's another one that goes on that airplane thing, all that. I'm sure. There's
Probably.
That goes up in the air that goes like a fountain or something. That's the fountain.
We got koi fish over here. You can barely see him. There you are. Hello, koi fish. Those fish are Dad's babies. So, yeah. Ah, Yes, three amigos.
Watching
Three amigos. What does three amigos do, I wonder?
the fireworks.
Oh, yeah, you don't say. I want to catch both the fireworks and Juno's reaction. Juno? This is a June bug. She's like, I don't know, I think I got a bug.
Ooh, I love that one.
We're gonna be cleaning up fireworks till September.
Yeah, I know.
As long as I don't get too close to the pool, I'm okay.
That's the three amigos.
Los tres amigos.
Oh, that baby's underneath the unit.
Oh, the baby's afraid. Hi, Luna. Is Luna Toon afraid? Hello, Looney Tunes. I don't know what this one's called. I didn't check.
I don't know what this one does.
Oh, it's another fountain. And a spark got scaringly close to the pool. We do not want to burn a hole in the pool.
Well, I hope not.
Ooh! Cool! That's different. Oh gosh. Did it fall over?
I think so. No? No, it just tilted.
It tilted, okay.
It tilted.
So this is gonna be another one of the rockets. Then after this, I'm probably gonna do a parachute and see how that goes. If I'm not busy like running the crap away.
I don't know what this one does. Whoa!
Ooh!
Pair of shoes?
Parachutes.
Once again,
Parachutes.
I've never done a pair of shoes. SpongeBob, pair of shoes. Gotcha. Not a pair of shoes.
Is that it? Where's it going? Where's it landing at?
Alright. This one's got seven shots in it, so. I think about 7 shots, you ready?
Raging all? She found a parachute.
I got 2 parachutes.
I will take that. Oh! Oh! I need to get my first aid kit or anything?
I'm fine.
You sure? Are you hurting? Oh my gosh! You burned your fucking. Oh my frick!
It's
Burn your freaking leg hairs. Okay. Are you sure you're okay? How bad does it hurt?
Just feels like a tiny old burn.
Do I need to get some aloe vera?
Probably.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I'm
He's okay. It's just minor burn, but okay. Hayden's okay. Everyone's okay. Okay, but I'm just freaking the crap. Okay. Take this. I'll go get some aloe vera and some
Okay.
band-aids.
Let me see, where's it at?
on my legs.
Crap. Yeah, wash it off too, Abigail. Get a wet soapy rag and wash it off.
It blew up. Okay.
What blew up?
The firework blew out. Beside it.
That was scary.
I know.
I think he needs to sit over here by me.
Yeah.
Go fix that doghouse. Shoot, I mean, right at him.
Gotta pop it.
Yeah, I heard.
What's your reaction? Who is that? Yeah, one of the tubes is out.
Well, I gotta see this. You got a lot.
Yeah, right here. I got one too.
Oh, sitting there, it ain't good on my legs.
Come here, don't trip. Come here, don't trip on me. Don't pull me down either.
Let me find a kitchen chair to sit in. Sitting like that hurts my legs.
Why don't you do like lawn chairs on your car?
No. Should get a kitchen chair.
Yeah. Guardian. Yeah, he wasn't much of a guardian. No. See,
So what
bottom,
happened to
the
it?
bottom blew out of it. See?
Well,
Look at this camera. It's in the out. Yeah, look at it.
dang it. Juno!
That whole bottom just blew out.
So the guardian should be called a death.
Well, look at it. It's got skeletons with
Oh, yeah?
pitchfork things on it. So much for the guardian. The guardian of death, maybe.
That could have been worse.
I know. Maybe it's a good thing I did do it, a little further back then.
So, little update on Hayden. It's been like 10-15 minutes since the accident. Got a bunch of first and second degree, so we used some like aloe vera on them, and then the rest, the not so bad stuff, we used Plano toothpaste that has a cooling agent in it. It really helps burns. And
Right there too.
yeah.
Because it's burning like right there too.
But the ones that's not covered are most likely just first degree, and the ones that we have band-aids are most likely to be second degree. And it also tore a hole in his sock. So, dude, you got a tan. I don't know if that's from the firework or just in general.
It's burning like right there because I can feel that and a little bit right there as well.
But
There.
it was very,
right there too.
very scary for everybody. And I'm still shaking. And
I'm fine. It's just my legs.
he's fine. Just his legs hurt.
I can still walk. It's okay.
He can walk, but I ended up having to doctor him, and
It's like a mother trucker though.
the smell of Bert. Hi, Julianne. Juliet. I can't. I'm forgetting her name here. I'm in shock. Put them here in the house, but the smell of burnt skin almost made me throw up. Like legit, I almost puked.
How's it feeling where the toothpaste at?
It still burns.
I mean, it'll hurt for a while.
I'm really feeling this burn.
Well,
You're feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
that's the blue toothpaste is on it.
Green.
I'm really feeling this burn.
You are.
Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
I think you're beyond feeling it.
No. He was laughing, and I was here starting to cry because it could have been worse, and I could have lost him. So it's like I'm not even the one that's hurting, and I'm crying, and he's laughing, and it's like, am I engaged to a psychopath?
I mean, sometimes they say laughter is the best medicine, so.
Okay, let me get into my hillbilly accent.
This ain't burning tomorrow.
Huh?
Just hope this ain't burning
It
tomorrow.
shouldn't. It should worse be tonight.
But what happened with the firework is like the bottom exploded out of it or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shot right into my lap.
And shot right in
your
his
lap.
I
lap.
found the culprit too.
What was it?
It was a tube belt that
The shorts
long.
didn't get burned,
Mm.
though, did it?
I'm not saying any.
Mm-mm.
But on some cardboard tube belt that long, about the roundness of a nickel.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Best part about that is just taking care of it.
Hey.
Said she was
That's
sending
gonna be a
home
real
to
pain too.
I'm
do
saying,
what?
That's gonna be a real pain too.
What?
Taking care of all this too.
well, I'm sending the toothpaste and some Q-tips home with you.
I'm sending Band-Aids home with you.
Might as well get a Ziploc bag and put it all in there.
I'll be on it.
Okay,
I mean, he's lucky he's dating someone who took medical classes. I mean, in my freshman year emergency procedures class, we had a section all about burns and whatnot. So, yeah.
There you go.
Oh, I think I messed up my foot a little bit. Hey, Juliet.
Like, do you know how bad I feel? I'm the one that bought that firework. I'm the one that lit it.
I'm the one who insisted he be here for the fireworks.
It's fine.
Here, you got like a million Band-Aids. You got some toothpaste. I'll give you like...
You sent them home with a lot of Q-tips because I got another package, so.
Here's like a million Q-tips.
Except for that one.
There's one that's contaminated. It's still filming, hanging. I washed my hands and they still smell like burned skin.
This thing is probably gonna take a while to
You
go
go ahead
back.
and here's your care kit. See, it can fit in your deep pockets. Oh, gosh. Bless America.
Hi, Juliet.
My baby. She stumbles because she's a CH baby. Where when she was born, her cerebellum wasn't completely developed. So it messes with her coordination a lot, and that's why
I feel like
she's-
just sitting on this toilet for the rest of the
she's-
night. I just don't even want to move.
constantly wobbly. She doesn't let it bother her though. And she's not in any pain. She can live a full kitty cat life.
I just like sleep here. Stay, just sleep in that
Yeah,
tiny
I don't
little
want
bit.
your grandmother to kill us.
It's
How
like-
am I going to explain this to Renee?
I mean,
just
she
tell her
almost
I
killed us when
fell.
we had the freaking wreck 3 years ago.
I'll just tell her I got a little too close to the firework on accident and this happened. Or that I fell and somehow ended up burned or something.
You could use your sword fireworks as an excuse.
Okay, but make sure it's not the sword I was holding. Say that he was holding his sword firework a little too close to his body and just kind of, you know, because I can shoot downward and sprinkle. That would explain it perfectly.
See, I'm good at making excuses.
I made excuses all the time in high school. That's the only reason I graduated.
Just like put a pillow on the top and sleep or something.
Okay, this video has become a bad influence. I'm gonna stop it here before it's too late. But,
Speaking of
Thank
late, do you
you.
even know what time it is?
It's like some.
It's past midnight.
Do you
So,
have to work tomorrow or anything? Oh.
Well,
he'll use this as an
Um,
excuse. Okay, thank you
Excuse now. Sit in my room.
guys for watching and subscribing.
My mom comes out there and starts
And,
complaining, like, why I'm not doing nothing with my life.
Keep
like always.
Hayden in your thoughts/prayers, because his poor legs could use it, and plus both of our nerves. But thank you for watching and subscribing, and we'll see you later. Peace out.